Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the Euro Yen monthly, I still think is very, very likely a wave 4, because this looks to me to be very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think eventually we will head up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave A right here. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for wave B, and I think at some point it is definitely going to go down for wave C, which should be an ABC of 4. I'm still looking at the 50% right around the 150.05 area for a likely target for this wave 4 to end. Heading down to the daily time frame, I still don't think this trend is over. To me, it definitely still looks like an A. It looks like 3 waves down for a B. I think that we need to go up at least to the 100% minimum, maybe even the 138, 123 to finish off this wave C of wave B before we make the bigger push down for the bigger wave C, all part of that wave 4 on the weekly monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, my last structure level is still right here, so we still do not have a break of structure. This all looks very corrective to me. I'm actually still holding along on this, and I'm still expecting more pushes to the upside. If it does break and hold below structure, then I'll start looking for shorts, but until that happens, I'm definitely still looking for longs in a uptrend. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I think that we might have an ABC correction right here because it definitely looks like a impulsive down wave A. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up wave B. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down wave C. We got a little bit of a rejection of structure here. A break of this high right here, I think will really confirm that this is an ABC and that it's going back up. And a break of this low right here will definitely cause me to get out of any of my longs and start looking for shorts again. But as of right now, I'm still expecting more movement to the upside on the higher time frames, so I'm still doing nothing but looking for longs on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.